How to hide following and follower list on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to hide your follower and following list, you'll need to make your account private. So, I'm going to teach you in just a few simple steps. Go to your profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Then scroll down and under who can see your content, tap on account privacy. There, you have to toggle on the private account. Now tap on switch to private. Now your followers and following list will be hidden from other people. However, your followers will still be able to see it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.